Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now today we're going to be working on how to fix rotation lock grayed out in Windows. How to fix it. Now the first thing you need to do is check the orientation. Now let us see how we're going to do that. Now according to the help, if the rotation lock is grayed out on your Windows device, here's how to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First, like I said, check the device orientation. You can physically rotate your device if it is a 2-in-1 or a convertible. Sometimes simply rotating the device can trigger the rotation lock option to become available. Then the second thing you can do is, if possible, manually switch to portrait mode in your display settings. Let's do that. Let's switch to portrait mode. So the first thing, you open up your display settings by pressing Windows and I. Then it will take you to the normal settings. Here this is where you actually bring you. Then you click on system and then you have display. Then you go here and click on display rotation and switch to portrait, as you can see. Now I'm going to cancel that, so you can see mine is working perfectly. Then the next thing you can do is, now once I've done that, remember how I did it: system settings, display orientation, portrait. Next thing you can do, if that doesn't work, is to check a tablet mode. Now enable tablet mode. If you have a 2-in-1 device, try enabling tablet mode. This might activate the rotation lock option. How? Click on the action center icon over here and toggle tablet mode on. Now as you can see, I do not have that. So let's see, do we have a tablet mode? No, we do not. But if we do, just simply turn it on. Next thing you can do is update the driver if that doesn't work. Now outdated display drivers can sometimes interfere with rotation lock functionality. So how do you do that? Press the Windows key and X and select device manager. Over here I've pressed it. Now I'm going to select device manager over here and you expand the display adapters. So waiting for it. Let's go for display adapters. Okay, it is. Expand it. Okay, it's expanded. Now here it is. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is, let's see. This is in the way, so let me minimize this quickly. Then you select update driver, then follow the on-screen instruction. So let's go back there. So let's click on this. So you can see my device is working properly, but in case yours isn't, you can see over here. So let's go back. Let me show you how you do it again. After clicking on the display adapter to expand it, then you double click on this and then you click on driver, and then you can see update driver. So you click on update driver, then follow the instruction, the prompts until you're through with that. Now that's in the on-screen instruction to update the driver. Another way you can do that is to restart your device if these three methods do not work. Method 1, check device orientation. Method 2, check tablet mode. Method 3, update driver. If that doesn't work, restart the device, because sometimes a simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that might be affecting your rotation lock. If that doesn't work, check for Windows updates. Now how do you do this? Go to settings, click on update and security, and then click on Windows updates and check for updates. So you go to settings, update security, go to settings, click on update and security. So I can go to settings right now, update and security, click on it, then click on check for updates, and from there, and from there you update the stuff. Next, you can also check for physical damage. Sometimes physical damage to the accelerometer or other sensors involved in rotation detection can also cause the rotation lock to be grayed out. So sorry about that. Can also cause rotation lock to be grayed out. So you have to check it. Contact a qualified technician. If the issue persists, contact your device manufacturer support. They may have specific troubleshooting steps or drivers for your particular model. Now, note that these solutions may vary slightly depending on your specific Windows version and device model. I hope these steps help you resolve the version lock issue on your Windows device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.